So here we have this iClimb Ultralight folding camping table. This table is about 11 inches tall and the top itself is about 16 by 14. Now it's made of a lightweight aluminum, so it's only going to add about 2 pounds to your backpack. And this comes in a few different colors, but as you can see, I bought the one in yellow and black. And it also came with this carrying bag to keep all the parts nicely together. The table's really easy to set up and it doesn't take up very much room. You're just going to spread the legs and then fold these two braces over. As you can see, they have a little stub that fits into this hole and keeps it from falling apart. The top unfolds and then this strip fits into these spots right here. And once it's put together, it's relatively sturdy and can hold up to 66 pounds. Now, unfortunately, the yellow hinge pieces are made of plastic, but they seem durable enough for this small table. Now, this makes for a great camping table for breakfast, and it's also a good size to play a card game or a small board game on. But you are going to have to sit on the ground because the table is so short.